Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to clear the domains list in the Google Earth app on your phone. If you have been using Google Earth for a while, your domains list can become cluttered. Clearing it can help improve app performance. First, open the Google Earth app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the top right. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Settings. Inside the Settings page, scroll down until you find the General section. Here, you will see the option labeled Clear Domains List. Tap on this option to proceed. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you really want to clear the domains list. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking on Clear. This will remove all saved domains from the app immediately. After completing these steps, your Google Earth app will no longer have old domain entries, allowing you to start fresh and keep your searches organized. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with friends who might find this tutorial useful. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.